Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the XLC State Street Communication Services Sector ETF, and I think that this is actually setting up for a potential move. As you know, the S&P 500 via SPY hit a new all-time high today. The QQQs hit a new all-time high today. IWM hit a new all-time high today. And so we are getting an everything rally, and I think there's an opportunity for XLC to play catch-up and follow the rest of the market higher. And so what I want to see from XLC is I want to see it break out of this consolidation pattern that it's in. It drifted beautifully down to the 50-day moving average, finding buyers at the 50-day every time it got near it or touched it. And now we're sitting just above the 200-day, 50-day, prices above the 8-day and 21-day. And so I think this is setting up for a potential move out of consolidation. I want to see a break above this clear downward sloping trend line of resistance on XLC. And that's what I'm watching to play out into tomorrow or maybe even next week, because as long as it holds up above the 50-day and 200-day moving average, the consolidation is still intact and the trend is still okay. And so I want to see if this can get above and stay above that downward sloping trend line. I'm going to set a pre-breakout alert at around 117. And if this can get above and stay above 117, I think we might have a trade here with clear defined risk, again, at that 200-day moving average. Now, if I zoom out here, we can see that it only breaches the 200-day moving average when we have a significant breakdown or something bad happening in the market. And so if you can get into this as it breaks out, using the 200-day moving average as your stop, you might have a nice long-term trend trade on the communication services sector ETF, XLC. And so that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.